Hi viewers, today I am going to give you a magical, outstanding and healing remedy which is the solution of most of your digestive and brain issues. I am going to tell you the recipe to prepare bone broth to heal your gut and brain also. It is a common saying that if your gut is good, your brain is good because there is a proven connection between your gut and brain. And if you repair or heal your gut, you will surely get rid of not only the digestive issues like IBS, indigestion, gas, heartburn, bloating, weight gain, stomach pain, but also get rid of anxiety, depression, and other issues which are due to leaky gut. I am going to give you a single remedy which is a solution of your digestive and mood issues, but it is anti-aging and anti-inflammatory also. Dear friends, before continuing the video, I request you to subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon and also share this video for the benefits of other friends. Viewers, I have divided today's video in the following segments. Number 1. What is gut? What is its connection with your brain? Number 2. How to prepare bone broth to heal your gut and how to use it. And number 3. Precautions of the remedy. Now is the time to move into the first segment of the video, which is what is gut, what is its connection with your brain. Viewers, gut is a group of human organs starting from mouth, esophagus, stomach, pancreas, liver, gallbladder, small intestine, colon and rectum. It is the digestive tract of your body. The balance of the gut bacteria and the integrity of the intestinal lining are two important factors to get rid of many diseases like indigestion, weight gain, IBS, anxiety and depression. But research suggests that bone broth consumption reverses these diseases and heals your digestive tract and the brain also. Viewers, without any more delay, I am going to give you the recipe to prepare your own healing bone broth. Viewers, bone broth contains minerals like calcium, magnesium, copper, iron, manganese, phosphorus, potassium, sodium and zinc. It also contains amino acids necessary for good health, which include collagen, gelatin, glutamine and glycine. I will make another video in which I will explain how bone broth and amino acids heal and seal your gut, but now I am skipping that and taking you directly to the recipe. It is easy to make bone broth, but it takes quite a lot of time, about 12 to 36 hours. You need bones of grass-fed animals, and you can buy chicken necks, oxtails and soup bones. You can use beef, chicken, lamb, fish bones to make bone broth. Now what you need to do, I am going to tell you. 2 kilogram grass-fed bones, 2 carrots chopped, 2 celery sticks chopped, 3 black peppercorns, 3 bay leaves, 2 tablespoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. You have to put all the ingredients in a large pan and cover them with water. You need to cook them on low flame for at least 12 to 24 hours to get full nutrients out of the broth. Viewers, you can refrigerate and then skim the fat off the top of the bone broth. But that is only necessary if you don't digest fats very well. You should use a cup of warm broth on empty stomach every day. Viewers, now is the time for telling you the precautions of this remedy. Precaution number 1. It is important to choose bones that are grass-fed and organic. Precaution number 2. Use a stove. Do not use a microwave oven because it can kill the amino acids in the broth.